Abusia de nkowa no etwa makopie mu Tinubu Republic Nigeria omo Naija. Now go hold on just say nwanwa Christianity in Africa is something else. Senior a man is wa sofo no mu gidie edo sofo no pa sofo no asemumpo esne won ankasa kunu no. It needs an investigation. Okwa Nigeria might be out of car. The ama na yere. The next day na yere atam car no. The akwache ne sofo. Ama be ma no the abufuo akwehia sofo mokwam akwaje ne car. Aha Penyah broke me there. Mesra said it. Over like keep video rather our bros can button sabe click notification for latest update. I'm better the why the mama comment section. Obaso. No wa first enya bia hwe. No make am phone na money send pen the amount. Oh USA, oh UK, open send this guy the befia. Eh nala. That one says no be in fact. For promo code Penyah to send this can charge $20. $20 dollars for free. Or send there in fact a very fast transaction. Or boss send so anas can do Ghana. Na emunano nala for asacho $20 for free. Ko yidi kwa. Let's go to say we say Nigeria your manya. Stories are they few hoban. In fact, what we say na enkofu mukura no e dey asemwa. E dey ade because it was last 2 weeks. Because peer story be so ankam ya say me but manya anye. That story no. Na eye man bi a je say one oba bi edetie. Omo e plan aware. One get na twempena che. Omo plan aware. On pese oba no ebeye broke girl. Oba na busuafo ebeye dependent on him. Enti no just on one kasa ko be store kese de ma oba ne maame so that oba na busuafo benya sika didie na o ma depend on him every blessed day. Ema no oba na tifie. After doing all these things for oba no oba na ja be man so okwa akwale foforo ontimi ne ntena ema be man de abufuo fa car SSwa boys edi na chi ekowura store o ma me store ho eko twe ne ma wo toma wo ko so ne ma nyina gu ka butu ko ne baby.
Okay, now we are actually heading down to we're going to the mother's place to go and do justice for the shop. No matter whatever that it is, we are actually going there to go and pack everything. Me, I don't care. I don't even care whatever that happens or whomever. I don't bloody care. We are going there to pack those things. So that's why we decided to make this video. And I'm here with my guys too. Warisco is in the truck there, and him is here. Some of us are here. Some people could not make it down. So, but it's not necessarily all of us go along. Or what do you think? We are not going there to go and play. I have been made to understand that all I have spent, it's a lie. That it was a joke. It was whatever. I don't care. The only thing I just want is I want my car back. And I want the money back. So if I could not get the money, I could not see the young lady herself. I could not see the mother. I could not see the cousin. It's not possible for me to let go of everything. I can't let it go. So as it is now, since I know where the mother's shop is, and out of the 2.8 million naira that I sent, I know things I asked her to get for the mother. And that's why I decided I don't want to start revealing some certain things now. I don't want to start revealing some certain things. But as it is now, let me just do it. I would rather prefer even to carry these things, go and empty that shop and carry on to go and establish another person who I don't even know. What do you think, say? What did I talk?
Not true now.
That's just the thing.
Sorry, return the car.
If we can't return the car, then the shop, we can't. No. This sounds so crazy. Okay, I want to show you guys. That is actually where the shop is. Please show the shop where. Show them the shop. Well, so that's where the shop is, and we are going there now to go and park. Yeah, already. So I'm just to do what needs to be done. So that's just it. So come. So I don't want to. Please. Okay. Bros, welcome. This is well. Yeah, thank you. How are you now? So this is how are you? How are you? Afternoon. What about your auntie?
She's not here.
No, speak aloud. Speak to me now. She traveled.
Yeah.
Okay. Since when?
Since last week.
Since last week. But you know me?
Yes.
You know me well? It's okay. Okay, since you know me very well, no problem. I want you to call her and tell her that have you seen Favor too?
No, I'm not seen her to favor.
You've not seen her. It's okay. I've actually gave them. I think you yourself you heard about the whole thing that is actually going on.
Yes.
Okay, so since you know about the incident, I've actually come. Since they cannot give me, I can't find my car. I can't see Favor. I can't see any of the siblings, neither the aunts. I don't have a problem with any of them at all. I don't have any problem with them. But the only thing is just that I've actually come here to take what rightfully belongs to me.
What's that?
Okay, fine. They just come outside. Come outside. I just want you to come outside. So they've come to come and carry the things, the money out of the 2.8 million naira that I actually sent, and they said it's actually a lie. I've actually purchased some things in this shop. So those things that we actually use my own money to buy, that is what I've actually come for. Since the relationship is not working, I don't want any much problem. So guys, if you can just start moving them in.
Uncle, please, they get me this shop.
Just carry the move.
Uncle, please, I'm begging you guys, please, they get me this shop, please. Uncle, please, tell them now. Uncle, please.
There's no me. I'm not even ready to.
Please,
just load everything. Step aside. Don't let them wound you. Let them wound you. Just step aside. Step aside. Just step aside. Come, step aside. Come. Yeah. Bring everything out. Everything. Nobody will not kill me. Nobody will kill you. Don't worry.
you don't understand.
Listen. Can you call your auntie? Don't take it anyhow.
Is that you should call your auntie? Call her now. That one is not a problem.
Back.
Call her. Call your auntie. That's her problem. That's not my own problem. That's not my problem.
She's not picking her phone.
If that's her business.
Please, she gets me this shop.
That's her business. That's her business. You people thought I'm playing, guys. I'm actually making this video for evidence sake. A lot of them actually said it was actually I'm joking, that I'm not being serious. Since they've actually decided to retain my vehicle and I cannot find my car, so on that note, I decided to come and carry what belonged to me, what rightfully belonged to me. If I don't even have anybody to give this thing to, I would rather use it to go and establish for another person. I'll go and set it up for another person. So on this note, I'm not even joking with anybody. Whatever anybody can call me name, they can call me a bad person, they can call me whatever. But I'm actually making this video for evidence sake. No.
Just their story a PF Nigeria ebano. And your story kitwa. And your story kuma, because there was another story so. And no, a fit to be on a car, Eddie man the girl. Na the girl said that car now on a time and aqua the boyfriend as a birthday gift. Like story a PF Nigeria ebano. It's so interesting. Na say unko ma me no can ebi assess. A copy of video be go viral on the social media handles as a Nigerian ni. Obai any nukunu eneti se awarefo. Eja, debi oba na se onante fom. Debi ofiri ekwa adwuma, debi ofiri ekwa asore no. Ekwa iwa, debi oka se offer boat and se Uber so a epo ne ka nti asere, nti go sere se nikunu niwra. Emmo ne ho mode nanka. Eja onpeka kuma bi Corolla X bi kura obe manage ni sa. Tiga onpeka bi ema no na onso eja ewuraba. Onfa na ada no kakra o community ni mu. Emma Bemen, eso eje penny. Emma was tin mo rema ko to car. Ede be man yere so that near any bed bones on a bema or donor and a tear. On a bema, obetime do pebia and a comma swadi amano and a tear on a bema or dreno and a tear. What the kai amano? Or ban APA said or call a sorry abba. Or call son or bow the boat and a bessy fee. Bemen busan and say car anyway ya. Was in the car and I could check myself from the cobalt for the ama myself who I saw them. Man, umbe man, muntu vayaju any akumeniagro. You be very careful. Mube or honomo. Man, umbe Ukunu ato car mount. Wouldn't it be? What time car no? Eddie a coacha software saw them. Ese what they about for their menyame. Emma Beman tells you, Beman de Buffo, Kumo, Esore, and you peer TC Council. Luckily, ɛna ko hyia car no hyia ne sɛ ogyina car no wɔsɛ ne sɔfo no ɛmfa key no ɛma na wɔn nso free car na car no ɛyɛ ne dia ɛma ɛhɔ no in fact na ano abɛhyɛ pa. This is the video.
No! Let me talk. Let me talk first.
So he's our family pastor. He used to pray for me and my family. So this car, my husband gave it to me on my heart as a birthday gift. So after praying for me, so I decided to give it to the pastor.
Did I buy this car for you to show a suit for your pastor?
No, sir.
Then why do you use my car with my money salary? When I buy this car for you to run to your pastor. My friend, turn up on this car.
Young man, calm down. You know,
Wait.
My husband. Yeah, he's my husband.
when your wife you come to my church, you do join him at times, right?
Wait.
Take her easy.
Is this his wife?
Yes.
Independent.
Before you do
If I'm not here, man, means that this woman.
I did not tell my husband.
This car is my money. I buy for my wife.
You buy for your wife?
This is so sweet.
Your wife carry your car where you buy so seed.
How would your wife come and take a car and sow a seed and you will not be aware of it?
No, I don't know because it's like you and my wife, you are doing backyard business, which I don't know.
I can't have any business.
Hey.
This guy is my car.
You're dragging me.
Okay, leave him for now. Wait, leave him now. Leave the clothes. So what do you know the wife?
You know the wife. The wife do come to my church.
This church. That for 19 place. Yeah, go to the church.
Wait, Tupano.
How the thing happen? How you manage the local here? I've been praying for their family. And wait, if they fight for you, but we fight that from over here. How the thing happen? No, we have to. This young man here, him and his wife were coming to my church. At this time he stopped. The wife continued coming. And God answered the prayer.
Which prayer?
Wait, and the wife decided to come and sow seed and brought the car in appreciation for the prayers that was answered.
Prayer where God answered.
Yes.
Are you collecting?
We pray for them. How you manage to say the prayer God answered?
It was the wife that came and testified.
Testify. I didn't say my wife, she not carry my life. I just I don't get children.
No, go here now.
I don't make money for it. My wife know you.
Wait, now I'm not going
Okay, did they answer a question? Calm down.
How the thing manage happen? No, we hear from you. We don't hear from her.
Okay. I come back from work. I work for it. So when I come back, I ask my wife, where the car what I buy for you for your birthday? Now emergency car, say pastor say me use the car so seat. I said we so seat for where? For which church? He said that church we will go worship before.
Where they pull and
Go. Now I said, okay, I don't want me to go that church. That place I go 19 place. In of 3. Before I go see with this man, with this motor. Now what do I buy for him?
wait, make I come now. But you get prayer when pray for your family.
I don't really pray when pray for me. Before my wife know, I don't really work for it. Don't get money since.
Listen very well. You there for the presence of God. You there for the presence of man. God no go from heaven now. Come down. Concentrate this way. You get prayer when pray for you or your wife or your family.
I don't see any prayer. I don't see any prayer.
But you didn't go to church.
I got the only one day. I just said I bought one night. Money when they find. Now I grab myself. I don't want my wife to go to that church again.
Wait, make I call. But now your wife carry the motor go give God.
Instead, my wife came and said, this pastor, this man here, said I'm sending you the motor so sick for her. He go use me. Mother will go about with my money.
I've advised you to make it.
I don't believe him.
I've advised you to make
No.
it.
Oh God, now man of God.
You know why I was saying make you leave her? Now your wife carry the motor go give God.
Now my wife buy him.
Go settle with your wife.
He is just a servant.
Now my wife buy him.
Go settle with your wife.
If you give your wife property, you never give her the property. One thing we give somebody, your eyes still there.
He did. He did.
But when at the church, if he are not taking now you carry your wife go to church.
No, maybe you can't go.
But you don't go to church.
Nah, she can't even go to the place. I tell her, stop there. I don't want.
I can see the work.
Yes.
If they work for it,
Yes.
God will provide the one with the car.
No.
Okay, leave the car for him. Leave the car.
No. I don't believe him.
And they tell you because of waiting I know. Well, if you go, you know the notify more. Not be thief waiting for more.
Now well, give am.
Now well, carry the thing, go give am.
And his prayer, they work for your family. Okay? But they work for rig. You are working in rig. His prayer is working for your family. Don't leave him.
God go bless
Leave him for this motor. Why I suffer with my sweat? How I supposed to roof for my son? I use that money buy this motor for this my wife to make her happiness. If I see other women that drive motor, think they suit me. What I buy it for my wife. My wife came my car. God so sister, you never.
God win so the city for now.
Should I say, ebusi enye easy cry, enye easy. Suffering of a car na emap. Papa say chinchina obegene car goes or no, ana ato car. Oba no say be man dia mano. Nti ne car na eye ne dia. They also pay end of the bay nti or their cover for their masofo a enye be man asem. Ready jare. We wait to tell wa jure e dia ma me. E wo converse say o na auto car ma o do go chest of anka dey pa na be ka chile. Anka pa so na fa car no anaze ka ka kwaji wa de. Chile wa jwe fama me e wo conversation. How you Penyah Block Media. Agra.